So I have a brand new Stealth Hitch on my Tesla Model 3. It's a great hitch, but it's just the interface where it connects. If I grab, let me see if I can back out. If I grab this or this and move it, I can get this thing to wobble. And the wobbling is the receiver in the snap hold of the Stealth jack assembly. So if we go underneath, it is locked. I do have a lock on it. Go under here. So we're looking under here. Okay, so there's the receiver. This is very tight. It's in this interface here. This moves. So I can't hold on. That moves right in here. Right in here. That moves. And it moves easily when I have this lever to move. So this little tiny bit of movement and play in here, I think it's because of this, the little dimple in the back isn't machined properly. It's not super tight. And any looseness here is amplified as you get further out. It's really hard to hold. So if I get further out, I can start moving the rack assembly. I can move it up and down a little bit. I can move it around. So this receiver moves. Even though it's firmly in there, it's not coming out, even though it's pinned. That movement is almost entirely from in here.